Crypto trading can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. At ByteCrypto Academy, we simplify the process. In our latest video, we break down 3 beginner-friendly trading strategies anyone can learn. First, HODLing, a long-term approach that keeps things simple. Second, dollar cost averaging, a smart way to invest consistently and reduce risk. And third, breakout trading, spotting key price levels before big market moves. Want to see these strategies in action? Watch the full video now, link in the description. Plus, grab exclusive Bing X bonuses and try everything risk-free with a demo account.